Neither have I.
Well, I'm gonna have a joke where I skateboarded into an elevator. You know, one of us is gonna have to press the button eventually.
Oh! Jake did it.
Yeah. Anyway, this is my morning class. Kadeja carrying heavy lights around. That's me.
Okay, now give me a push.
You don't ride the bus or anything?
Oh shit. I got so scared. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, got it! Just step off if you feel weird.
It started going really fast. It started going really
You see why I didn't do that? That's the shot I wanted, because that's how I got over.
With her, okay, but right now she's helping to return all this equipment first, okay? And then later on, we will do a little bit more check.
So today we're having like mid-quarter conferences or whatever where you like check in with the teacher. And I forgot that mine's at 2:30 and I showed up at 2. So I guess I got some time. Between school and helping people out and like lunch and everything, I haven't edited my video and I haven't worked on my paper. And those are the two things I meant to do today. Have skateboarded around a lot though. We ran out of coffee the other day. Like, there's decaf coffee, but that's not really coffee. And in addition to that, not only have I been feeling sluggish from not having any coffee, but also the internet's been just like really weirdly super slow. Today's video was kind of like weird and short, so I feel like it needs a wrap up. But on the other hand, today was kind of like weird and short. So I'm not gonna give today's video a wrap up. Maybe the first one works better. I'm gonna stop recording this over and over again. Good night.